Yeah, guess what? Do you know why a lot of traders do not make money in the markets? It's very simple. A lot of traders do not know what it takes to do nothing. A lot of traders in the market always want to be in action, always want to click something, always want to buy something, sell something. And that is one of the main reasons why a lot of traders lose money in the market. If you do not know when it is the right time for you to do nothing and when it is the right time for you to do something in the market, you are always going to come up short. You need to know exactly when you need to sit on your hands. About 8 times out of 10 times, you would have to sit on your hands in the market. So this is where a lot of traders get it absolutely wrong. So in trading, it is not all about buy, sell, sell, sell. Every time you are buying something, every time you're selling something, that is completely wrong. About 8 or 7 times out of 10 times, you need to sit on your hand, and that is very important. And this is where a lot of traders do not know how to discipline themselves. Whatever system, whatever strategy that you trade, you need to find, you need to be able to tell when you need to sit on your hands and do nothing, and exactly the right time you need to do something. And that is the absolute fact. So trading is all about patience, right? If you are not patient enough for the right setup to come up, you are always going to find yourself taking the wrong trades. And if you are not patient enough for your trades to play out, you are always going to leave a lot of money in the table, right? So that is why about 80% of the time, you need to learn how to be patient with the market. Patience is all it takes, right? If you have a very good trading system, you should be able to tell when it's the right time for you to do something. So if you are trading completely without a good trading system, you are going to always find yourself chasing trades every single time, and that's the place you do not want to be. You never want to chase a trade. You always want to wait for the trades to come to you, and then you take a trade, right? That is the best way to go about trading. So every single trade you take should be planned, right? Before the trade happens, you know exactly what you need to see and where you need to see them and how you need them to print in the market. And when all those things lines up with your trading system, with your trading plan, you know exactly what you need to do. So avoid trading blindly, avoid trading every single time. So if you're a low time frame trader, obviously you are going to take a lot of trades. You'll find a lot of setups in the low on the low time frame. But if you trade on the high time frame, you would always find have that advantage of taking fewer trades, but more payouts, right? And that is where you want to be on the high time frame, whereby you have the time freedom. We do this absolutely for freedom, right? So the money and everything else that comes with it is just an extra. But the main reason we do this is for freedom. So why do you want to always have yourself stuck behind the PC and click something every single time you are watching the charts, you are buying something, selling something, looking at something? That is absolutely wrong. It is not good for your mental health as well. You want to be able to have yourself in a place whereby you can look at the chart just a few times within the day, and then go about your day, go about your daily activities, and still make some good money. That is where you want to find yourself. So the higher the time frame that you trade, the lesser your chart time in the market, and that is very good because you are able to find good and quality trades in the market. So there are people who take in a week, they take about 20 trades, 15 trades, 30 trades. This does not guarantee them making more money than you would take about 3, 4, 5 trades in a week, right? So it is very good to have more quality trades than just quantity, right? The quality always beats the quantity every single time. So that is what you really want to focus on. So learn how to do nothing in the market. It pays out a lot.